This is dubious code going over list sorting in Python. So if I have a list here, I can have a list of anything, but let's say I have a list of integers here, and I wanted to get it sorted. Python makes it sort pretty easy with a list. I can go my list.sort, print nums, and I have my sorted list. It honestly couldn't be easier to do a basic sort here with just a dot sort at the end of the list. I can see I print it out, and now I've sorted from lowest to highest. Of course, I might not always want that, so I could go highest lowest, reverse equals true. Python is using timsort behind the scenes, which is a modified merge sort, so it's done in log in time. It's a merge sort, I think, paired with insertion sort for small lists. So here I put reverse equal true, and now I'm sorted in reverse order. Now you might not always want to sort your regular list. Maybe you want to get a sorted list but keep your other list, so that's what the sorted function does. So if I don't want to sort my original list, if I want to say, final, then I have the sorted. And if I print them both, I can see that my final, that this one is going to be the result of the sort, but it won't actually, this value won't have been sorted. The nums, my original list won't have been sorted. I can see this one got sorted, this one remained unchanged. That would be effectively the same as making a deep copy of this and then sorting it. Although it's interesting, let's see if I change the if I were to use an object, six. So if I make these objects instead of numbers, let's see if it actually is a deep copy. Now I'm curious. I'm fairly certain, but I don't know this for a fact. So this is still going to sort in the same order. But now if I were to change the final, if I were to say final, the first one, sub 0 equals negative 100, I expect that final will change, but nums won't, because this is a copy, and it's basically a deep copy. Yeah. No. Okay, so that's incorrect. So this is sorting the list. It's not a deep copy. The objects are still the same. So you can see that it changed both the original list, and this list. Just this one's in order, but they're referring to the same objects. So it's a shallow copy. It's effectively saying, this sorted is effectively saying final equals nums slice final dot sort. That is what it's doing. We'll get the same results here. Assuming I type in the various. So sorted is effectively the same as taking a shallow copy, like a slice, and then sorting it. So that's fine if that's what you want to do. And of course, equals sorted nums reverse works here as well. So I can sort in reverse order. And this will work just fine. If I print out final. Sometimes you don't want, I have a list here. Maybe I have a list of two things. And I don't want to sort by the first thing. Maybe I want to sort by the second thing. Maybe this is a list of X and Y coordinates. And I want to sort by Y. So let's say nums.sort. I want to be ascending. So these have a key. And the key, I can say key. What is the syntax if I have to take a quick look? Equals lambda value sub 1. So if I wanted to sort by the second index, I can do a lambda function, provide the key for what I'm changing, lambda function, and now we'll be sorting on value sub 1, the second index, which would be the 10, 20, 0, negative 10, 0, and negative 12. Not great checking here, but it did work. So we can see now it's sorted by this, what we're calling y. And now you can see these two things are zeros. One thing to know is that Python sorts are stable. So let's say I want to sort by the second value, the y value, but I want to sort by the x value in the case of a tie. Since they're stable, what I can do is I can sort by x first, and then I can sort by y second. So sorting by x first will put them in order of x, and then when I sort by y, it'll put them in order of y, and if things are a tie, the lower x will come first. And so we can see the change here is that this 0, 0 with a 0x now comes before the 11, 0 with the 11x. And like everything else, reverse equals true would also work with the key. And now it's sorted in reverse order of y, but still ascending order of x. We don't have to use a lambda function. I need to look this up, but there's another way of getting the value. I could use an operator, an item getter. And so instead of using this, I could say key equals item getter sub 0, item getter sub 1. Type object is not descriptable. Okay, well, it's possible I don't understand the item getter very well. So instead of trying to learn that now, you might look at this page to get the item getter. But the lambda functions work just fine. The sort, use the sorts. I don't have anything else for you. This is Dubious Code. Thank you for watching.